My name is McCabe, photographer, educator, and founder of Myrtle and Moss Photography. I am so excited to invite you to a 3-day online retreat celebrating a group of incredible women from Canada, the United States, and the UK as they officially step into their roles as photography educators. Each of these talented instructors has been a part of the Ascend Masterclass, a 6-month mentorship program that I created to guide photographers through the process of refining their craft, developing their teaching voice, and confidently moving into the education side of the industry. Now, after months of preparation, they're ready to share their knowledge and passion with you. During these 3 days together, you will experience 7 live workshops, one of those being from myself, plus Q&A sessions where VIP attendees will have exclusive access to ask personalized questions. You'll also have the chance to win incredible giveaways from our sponsors, along with mentorship opportunities, presets, and bonus gifts from our new instructors. There are 2 ticket options available. We have VIP access, which includes live attendance, unlimited replay access, and exclusive instructor Q&As. We also have the live-only access, where you can watch all of the sessions live, as well as enjoy a 24-hour replay window after the retreat is over. For more information or for reserving your spot, please visit myrtleandmoss.com. If you think you might be interested in joining the 2026 Ascend Masterclass, please send us an email at info@myrtleandmoss.com. Thank you so much for all of your continued support over the years. On behalf of myself and these 6 incredible women of the Ascend Masterclass, we are so grateful to each and every one of you who has put your trust in us to guide, mentor, and help you along your journey. We hope that you'll join us live, connect with the community, and take this time for your own growth and inspiration.